If you want to get an understanding how to edit multicam, I'll give you a basic idea how I use it with wedding videos. Also, feel free to check out my course below for more content if you want to dive deeper into Final Cut Pro 10. This is a different way of editing multicam clips when you have audio as a separate file. I already have all my 3 clips in its own keyword collection for the dad's first look. The father has a mic in his shirt. I also have the selections ready to sync together. I'll right-click and select multicam clips. I'll name this Father First Look Multicam Clip. The video rate can be 23.98 frames per second. I'll select OK. I'll double-click my new clip here in the browser. In the multicam clip, I always do some house cleaning. It's up to you if you want to do the same. I'll just make sure the audio in the bottom clip is selected as I trim the edges of all 3 clips in the browser. I'll select all the clips and move them to the left. You can select which angle you want to view in the monitor angle. I'll click the back button on the timeline. Select the clip in the browser and press W to insert in the timeline. Now I want to make sure the audio is enabled the entire clip by clicking this button here. Select the audio angle. I'll click the video only button so I start editing the video clips. Press spacebar to play the clip. Just from looking at this, I want to trim everything before the bride enters the frame. I'll go ahead and stop the playhead here and trim everything before this. I'll go ahead and cut in between angles.
Yes.
It's me. I love you.
Love you too. You're beautiful.
Did a little something for you in your jacket.
This is the basics of multicam editing. You'll have more of a challenge when you're editing with more cameras. I'll show you my next example with their toast. This is how I edit the toast using multicam, but here is also the importance of giving your clips a name. I already organized my clips in a toast category. Most of you are using a camera that doesn't have unlimited recording, so you may have to restart each camera within the 30-minute time limit. Right now, I'm showing you an example when these clips don't have a camera name. Over here, you'll see in this multicam, there is a new camera angle for every clip. I don't want it to look like this, and I don't want to waste time adjusting all these clips. I'll go back and trash this multicam clip. All my clips are still here in the toast category. I'll select one of the clips and go to the info inspector. Under camera name, I'll call this one Safety Cam. Then select and copy this entire name. I need to find the next clip from the same camera. It's easy for me to find it by looking at the last 2 numbers in the clip name. The first clip ends with the number 17, so I'm looking for 18. I'll select that clip. Go to camera name, then press Command V to paste it here. I'm looking for the next clip that ends with the number 19, and I'll paste the same name here. All safety cam clips have their camera name. I'm going on to the next camera, which is a close-up of the speaker. I'll select it, and under camera name, I'll call this Cam A. You can name it whatever you want. The last 2 digits here ends with 79, so I'm looking for the next clip that ends with 80. I'll continue to paste the same camera name. I'll do the same for the following clips. We have one more camera angle, and I'll name this Cam B. I have one clip with my gimbal since the couple went into their first dance right after the toast. I'll name this Gimbal Cam. All my clips have a camera name. I normally don't give the audio a camera name since this clip was recording the entire time. Now I'll select all the clips, then right click, then select new multicam clip. I'll name this Toast Multicam Clip. Angle assembly and angle clip ordering is left as automatic. Frame rate is 23.98 frames per second, and I'll select OK. My Toast Multicam clip is here in the browser. I'll double click this and you can see inside it is much more organized. I have Cam A, Cam B, Gimbal Cam, Safety Cam, and the audio has its own angle. Since my audio comes from one channel, I always select the audio, then go to Audio Inspector, and under Audio Configuration, change it to Dual Mono so the sound can come from both the left and right speaker. I'll trim up the edges a bit and move the entire clip towards the left. I'll go back here in the timeline to the project. I'll select this multicam clip and press W to insert this in the timeline. Now that I have the multicam clip ready, I'm going to enable audio only so I can select the audio coming from the DJ booth only. Since I want to cut the video clips without cutting the audio, I'll select video only button and I can start cutting the video in the timeline.
I'm not sure why they asked me to come up here and I'm not sure why they asked me to come up here and speak tonight. If you know me and you know my family, normally they're telling me to keep quiet. We're gonna get started with the speeches tonight. This is the point of the evening when people come up and tell about.
That's how I edit the toast. That's also why it's important to give each angle a camera name. You can check out my course that goes more in depth in the description below. Feel free to sign up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.